Konnichiwa, minasan.
Konbanwa sensei.
Konbanwa. Okay. Do we have any doubts in chapter number 10, 1 to 10? No doubts, I'm assuming. Okay. Okay, before starting, I'm going to share a PDF with you guys. I'm sharing it with Tanu. Please make sure that you ask her to share it with you. Okay. Okay, yes. So I have shared an email with just shared the email with Tanu and Bhavna. So Tanu, please make sure that you are sharing it on the group, your group. Okay. Okay, so before starting, do we have any doubts in our previous chapters? Anything which you have not understood?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone has no, all of you, nobody has any doubts? Okay. Okay. Okay, so today we are going to start chapter number 11. Um, Chapter number 11 is all about your counters. Now, what exactly is counters are? Counters is nothing but your product categorization. Yeah, it is nothing but your product categorization. Now, what exactly do we mean by product categorization? Say, for example, you have gone to any store, you want to purchase a particular item or an object, and you are asking for, say, for example, 5 postcards or 5 tickets. Okay. So, how exactly are you going to tell that give me 5 tickets? Okay. So, tickets is nothing but your flat object. Yeah. So, flat object is categorized under my counter. Okay. So, you say go my. So, give me go my. Are we clear, everyone? Are we clear? A little bit of idea we have gotten about what is counters.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Sensei, are you sharing any screen? Because I can't see
No, I'm
anything.
not sharing any screen. No, I'm not
Okay.
sharing any screen. Not yet, but I'm sure sharing it. Tanu, did you get my mail? Tanu, are you there?
यस मैंने शेयर कर दिया ग्रुप में.
कर दिया ना, perfect. So everybody open your counter sheets. Each one of you open your counter sheet. Something like this you will see in your counter. Something like this I have shared. Okay, so what am I going to do right now is I'm going to give you each counter ka each counter ka I'm going to give you product details as to which product can come under these counters category. Okay, and then one by one we understand the numbers here. Now I'm not going to do all the counters with you because a couple of them has the same numbers which we have learned in our traditional numbering system, in our Japanese system. I'm going to touch those counter which are different from your traditional number system. Okay, is everyone clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Hi,
So
Sensei.
sorry.
Hi, Sensei.
Okay, yes. Okay. I have marked which wherever you have some different pronunciations, okay, I have marked here in yellow so that you will have a clear idea that you know what you have to remember. Now, this chapter plays an extremely important role from your JLPT perspective. Okay, the reason why I'm saying is this because this chapter, why does this chapter play an extremely important role? Because something from this chapter will definitely come. Now, it can come in your sentence pattern. आपके sentence pattern में आ सकता है, like as in your grammar, or it can come in your listening part. Okay, your listening, your chokai skills, उसमें आ सकता है. Clear, everybody? So you
Yes,
cannot think of skipping this class. Okay. You cannot think of skipping this chapter altogether because this chapter is important. I cannot even tell you to skip this chapter because this is important. Now I can understand it can be very, very, very taxing and very irritating, but hang in there. Okay. Okay. So the first counter which we see is TSU, that is SU. Now SU is basically for circular objects. Whatever round or circular objects you see will come under this category. Example, your fruit, apple, oranges, watermelon, mango, all kind of fruits except for banana, because banana is a little bit in cylindrical shape. It is not a circular object, as the name suggests. Okay. Now, particle SU also, countered SU also has one more characteristics that is whenever you are not able to categorize any particular product. For example, chair, table, key. Because we can have a thick chair, we can have a thin chair, correct? We can have a smaller stool wherein we can sit. We can have a bigger table, we can have a smaller table. Basically, there is no fixed shape for these products. If you see apples, sometimes apples are smaller, sometimes apples are big. Am I right or wrong? Sometimes oranges are very big, sometimes oranges are very small. We have small mango and big mango. In size, I'm talking about. So all these products are categorized under SU. Okay. When you don't know the shape of a particular product, put it under SU. Now you cannot put egg into SU because egg ke liye you have your standalone counter. Okay. You cannot put any product into SU. Only those which you are not sure about. Are we clear?
Yes.
Sensei, basically round and that we are not sure of.
No, all the circular objects. So circular objects, what can come? Your CD will be electrical, so mechanical. Give me any circular object, you guys.
Ball?
Yeah, ball will be under SU. Then one more.
Balloon.
Balloon, correct. Correct. Balloon again. Balloon can come under SU because we can have a bigger balloon or a smaller balloon. Correct.
Yeah, coaster.
Cakes are also categorized under two. Cakes are also categorized because sometimes we have a smaller cake and a bigger cake, but it is circular. Sometimes it is circular, sometimes any shape we can give to a cake, correct? So
Right.
cake is also categorized under two. Yes, Tanu?
Clock.
Clock, correct. As in a clock, yes. We can have a bigger clock or smaller clock, correct. A table clock or a wall clock, correct. So these are all categorized under
Beads
two
as
particles.
well. Beads as well.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. Now, unlike our numbering pattern, we have different numbers here. Now, the first line is always your question. Okay, so ikutsu will be your question. So, how many su objects do you want to buy or do you have? Whatever can be the question. Okay. So, the first one is hitotsu, futatsu, mitsu, yotsu, itsutsu, mutsu, nanatsu, yatsu, kokonotsu, either to or tou, hyaku, and sen. Okay. Are we clear, everyone? So this is something new you are learning here. Hitotsu, futatsu, mitsu. These are your numbers only. Ye numbers hi hai. But the counting pattern is a little bit different here. Okay, these are your numbers only. But unlike Ichini-san, for Tsu counter, you are going to use these numbers. Okay, are we clear, everybody?
Hi.
Okay. After 10, if you ask me, you can use your normal numbers. That is due, like after 10, 11, you can use your Futsu or To Futatsu. No, that is wrong. This pattern is like, or this numbering system is only confined to 1 to 10. Am I clear, everybody? Okay.
Ma'am, it is
Then the
for
next
all the counters.
No. This is only for standalone Su counters.
No.
This
Ma'am,
pronounce
it is
after
counted
10.
Okay. For all the counters after 10, we can say according to
Yeah,
the
you
numbering
use
pattern.
yes. You stick to your normal pattern which you use, like to Ichini San ka continuation you do after 10. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Perfect. Hi. Next is you have ko. Ko is your egg products, as in tamago. Whatever egg products you have will be categorized under ko. Egg products, tamago, egg. Here you have your normal numbering system except for 7 and 9. For 7, it is Hatsuko. No, actually, this is not 7. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. And this is 10. This is 100 and this is 1000. Okay. There's some typo here. I'm sorry for that. But I have given you numbers here, so you can just keep that in mind. Okay. So the first one, Ichiko. Ichi we know. So Ichi ni san, yon, go, roku, nana. But don't forget to add ko at the end of your number because we have to identify which counter it is. Okay, your counter is changing. For 8 it is changing. Technically we have hachi, but this is hatsu instead of hachi. And 10 will be jikko, jikko, jikko. Okay, only two numbers are changing here, 8 and 10. Are we clear, everybody? Yes, Tanu.
ये सेकंड लाइन वाले काउंटर्स किसके लिए हैं? सिर्फ एग के लिए? एग
कौन
प्रोडक्ट
से सेकंड? हाँ, जितने भी एग प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं. नाउ आई डोंट नो बिकॉज आई डोंट ईट एग, सो आई डोंट नो एग प्रोडक्ट क्या किसमें एग जाता है. एक्सेप्ट फॉर
लाइक
केक्स, आई डोंट नो.
केक, ब्रेड.
What did you not understand the concept? Your product categorization. 1 second, Tanu. Different product has different categorizations. As simple as that. Different products has a product categorization. It's called as counters. So if
हाँ,
at all
नहीं,
you are going, 1
no,
second,
no,
1
no,
second.
मैं
If
पूछ रही हूँ
एक
जो
second, एक
second
second.
line वाला
एक second, Tanu, एक second. If at all you are going in a shop and you want, say, 10 apple, so you are not going to tell that give me 10 ringo. You are going to say give me 2 ringo, give me 10 apples. Are you clear? So that 10 changes due to counter. आप 10 मांग रहे हो ना? Are you clear, Megha, now?
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it, Sensei. Yeah.
Yeah. If you
नहीं,
go,
वो मेरे को
for
समझ में
example,
आ गया.
Tanu,
मैं
एक
पूछ
second.
रही थी
एक सेकेंड तनु, I'll get back to you. आपका डाउट मैं क्लियर करूंगी, don't worry. If at all you go to a shop and you go and ask for 5 red color t-shirts, you are not going to tell them give me 5 red color t-shirts. In fact, you are going to tell them give me Gomai. Give me Akai Gomai t-shirts. So give me 5 t-shirts in red color. You have to use counters. Are we clear? This is where you use counters. Are we clear?
Okay. Got it,
Everybody, are we
Sensei.
clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
मैं
Yes, Tanu, बोलो.
मैं
Your
पूछ रही थी कि जैसे जो सेकंड लाइन वाले काउंटर्स है ये सिर्फ एग प्रोडक्ट के साथ ही यूज होंगे ना.
हाँ, जो भी प्रोडक्ट में एग आता है, मान लो अगर आप एग सैंडविच लेने गए हो और आपको 5 एग सैंडविचेस चाहिए, सो यू से गोको दिस, गिव मी गोको दिस. गॉट इट?
यस, थैंक
So,
अरिगातो. और
हाँ.
मैं पूछ रही थी ये एप्पल को रिंगो बोलते हैं.
हाँ, एप्पल को रिंगो बोलेंगे और ऑरेंज
फ्रूट नेम
को
कभी
मिकान
हुए ही
बोलेंगे.
नहीं ना.
नहीं, vocabularies we have not done because we are concentrating on counters first. When we do counters,
Yes.
then we can go through the vocabulary.
हाय.
Okay? Yeah. Third is G.
basically, sorry, ma'am. Sorry
Yeah.
for interruption.
No,
So thing
go
is
ahead.
like basically we are using this for like quantification of the products actually, but as well as from my understanding, it's also like a short form for it. Like instead of asking like gone 5 eggs in separately, we are saying 5 eggs. We're using a
Correct.
short term
Shorter
for
term.
that product.
Correct.
So
Correct.
like
Correct.
one more thing as well, like if we are gonna use the short form, how do they distinguish? Like we are asking that one actually, since
So-
it is for like egg products, we have like 4 or 5 egg products on the same aisle. If we're gonna say the same thing, like how they get confused, is it?
No. They will not be confused. The simple way you're going to say, you point towards that product, no? You point towards that product, or you say, give me 5 sandwiches. Give me 5 egg sandwiches. You say that, no?
Okay, that's the point I'm saying. Like we can say like each sandwich, like one sandwich, we can say that the raw number is it instead of using this. What is the point of this actually?
So, from a JLPT perspective, this chapter is very important because you can expect something or the other from this chapter, either in your sentences or your dokai, that is your comprehensions, or as up till now, what they have done, they have given these counters in the listening part, in your chokai. So
Okay.
they will create a situation where the speaker, like who is in the audio, the speaker will go to a shop and she will probably, purchase something. So you should know what she is purchasing. Even if they are not mentioning anything regarding, that she's going to purchase a particular product, at least you have in your mind that, okay, counter co is related to egg product. So probably she must have gone and she must have taken anything related to eggs.
Okay,
Got it?
Sensei. Okay,
Are we
Sensei.
clear,
From my
everybody?
yes, from my understanding is like it's not like a rule to use this actually, but like for the syllabus we are like learning. It's like major rule. Is it a
Like if you go to Japan and if you go for shopping, or if you have a daily conversation, people do use counters very well there. They do use counters. They don't use ichi-ni-san. Like whatever is confined to a counter, they are going to use that.
okay?
So this is a pretty wide used concept in Japan. As for
Okay,
us,
Sensei.
as for foreign people, even if we don't know this, it is okay. But JLPT perspective, very important.
Okay,
So I
Sensei.
can't ask you
Okay.
to skip this topic altogether. If you're not appearing for JLPT, it's okay. But those who are appearing for JLPT have to do this by hook or by crook, because sure shot, at least 10 to 12 marks this chapter carries.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Thank
Sensei,
you.
Yeah.
like for example, how do we use this? Like if I have to say 2 eggs,
Two
so I
eggs.
will say Nico Tamago. Is that
Yeah, Nico
correct?
Tamago. Either you say Nico
Okay.
Tamago, or even if you say Nico, they will understand.
Okay, so Nico itself means eggs. Is that so?
Yeah, eggs. As of now, you keep in
Okay.
mind that Nico means eggs. Yes.
Okay. All right.
Or
Arigato,
else,
Sensei.
or else, any one of you is going to Japan, or any one of you is planning to go, you can simply point towards a particular product and say, give me 5 quantity or 10 quantity, like Nico or Yonko or Nanako, whatever. You simply point towards that object and say.
Okay. Egg products.
Okay, but for
So
that,
for egg products.
counters are
Okay.
needed. Sorry.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So I mean, like for egg products, this is how we need to
Yes, correct.
converse. Okay.
Correct. Okay, next we have GRs. We have done this R's in our chapter number 4. So here you are going to use your normal ichi, ni, san, yon, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju, and for hundreds and thousand, hyaku and senji. So G is for your R's, fun and pun is for your minute. Again, here I have given pun also. Okay, so ipun, 1, ni, san, nan. So four is like nanfun here. Then you have go, roku, nana, hapun, qfun, and jipun. You don't have 100 minutes or 1,000 minutes. We don't say that in, like, it is not widely used there. So this is for your minutes. Sai is for age. We have done chapter number 1. Again, your normal. नहीं, एक क्लास में 2 टेबल कैसे कर सकते, तो फिर चैप्टर खत्म कब होगा? पूरा ही करना है. We'll have to do it everything today only. In fact, we'll have to complete this chapter today. So Sai is age. So I can understand, but my hands are tied. I'm sorry. So ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, hachi, kyu, ju. Okay. Then next you have yen, currency. We also have currency here, yen or n. It is in English we say it yen, but in Japanese it is said as n. Okay, so ichi, ni, san, yon, go. Again, normal numbers. Next you have, that is your mai. Mai is your all the flat objects. Okay, like your handkerchief, shirt,
Sensei?
t-shirts. Yeah.
Sorry, Sensei, are you scrolling the screen? Because it's still stuck in the
Yeah, I
first
did.
page.
I have scrolled. Yeah, I have scrolled. Okay, let me reshare.
Okay, now, okay.
Let me reshare. Now, is it okay? Is it okay now?
Hi, Sensei. Hi.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Hi, arigato.
Hi. Yeah. So next is your my, that is your flat objects. Handkerchief, shirts. What more you can think for flat objects?
Paper,
Table,
Correct.
Mat, Mat.
Yes.
spreadsheet,
book,
So book ke liye we have a different category, that is satsu, that is magazine. Tickets aati hai, plates aati hai, photos can come. Correct. Flat objects.
Notebook,
Plates are also flat.
notebook,
blankets, bedsheets,
Notebook, no. Notebook magazines will come under different category. Notebook is not flat. No, notebook can be thick or thin. Can anyone tell me, is pizza a flat object?
Yes.
Hi.
Correct. Correct.
Nihongo
Pizza is a flat
Gakusei.
object. Huh? Sorry? Okay. So my is categorized. My is used for all your flat objects. Okay. Again, ichi, ni, san, you have the same numbers here. Now dai. Dai is your electrical or mechanical objects or products, that is kuruma, jidosha, terbi, iron, then washing machine, bikes, mobile phones, yeah. So that is dai. Yes, Mukul san.
Ma'am, if I have to refer to like one card, so am I supposed to say Nandai Kuruma or
What
just
card?
Nandai?
Yeah. So the first question is your all the questions as to what will be the question for counters, you know. So yeah, ikura, nan mai, nan dai, nan satsu, nan do. Yeah, these are all your number questions. If you see here, everywhere nan will only come. Everywhere nan will come. If you see everywhere, there is nan only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I can understand this is a completely different and new concept for everybody, but hang in there. You'll reach there. Okay. So dai is again for electrical, mechanical, like I told you, kuruma, jidosha, therapy, iron, bicycles, your mobile phones, your your washing machine, your mixie, everything comes under electrical and mechanical. So nandai. So again, normal 1 to 10 numbers we are using here. Now next you have that is satsu, that is magazines. So all kind of books basically. A thin book, a thick book, your any kind of magazines, for example, your computer magazine, your catalog, product catalog, anything will come under satsu. Now this is not shirt, okay? This is satsu. Shirt is different. Okay, so only two numbers we have different here. That is itsu satsu and jitsu satsu. Everywhere you have Nissan, Nihongo, Rokunana, Hatsu, Hatsu. Instead of Hachi, it is Hatsu, okay? And Q. So only three you have different itsu. That is 1, 8, and 10. Are we clear, everybody?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
newspaper will also come in this category, magazines.
Newspaper flat objects.
It will go.
Mine. Newspaper will come under flat objects. Newspapers are flat, no?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, so under mine. Newspaper will be under mine. Any satsu ke liye think of any booklets, like the project book which we make in our college days, which we must have made. Everyone must have made that book. Then
Diary.
Diary, yes, diary, because diary can be big or small. So again, magazines mein satsu mein it will come. Are we clear, everybody? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next you have though, that is big animals. All the animals which are big. Also in height and also weight wise. No discrimination, but this is how we remember. Okay. Okay, everybody. So Uma, horse, Ushi, cow. Also for bigger structures, like a very big building. So there, for example, Burj Khalifa can come here. Then your schools, hospitals, which are bigger than you, bigger in height, can all come under dome. Okay. Oh, only one number we have different, that is Hatsu dome. Okay.
Sensei.
Next, yeah. Next you have soku, pair of objects, anything which are two, leg, hands, shoes. What else we have to? I.
Spectacles.
Sorry? Spectacles,
Sunglasses.
yes. Correct. Correct.
Sunglasses. Socks.
You know, yeah. Socks, sandals, socks, boots, etc. will all
Gloves.
come under, yeah, will come under pair of objects. Okay. So
Cup.
here,
Cup.
yeah. So here we have two numbers which are different, 1 and 8. Isoku, and hasoku. Okay, Isoku and hatsoku. Yes, Mukul-san?
Ma'am, for trousers, like in English, we also say pair of trousers. We don't say trousers. So that will also come
Yeah,
in.
yes.
Soku.
Pair of objects. Yes. Whenever you see any kind of pair of objects, soku mein aayega. Put it under soku. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, then next is hiki. Hiki is for small animals. Small animals, that is dogs, cat, fish, insects, any small creature in general, any living being, but any small living beings. That will come under hiki, that is small animal. Now, the different numbers we have, that is ipiki, 1, 3, sanbiki. Now, this is not hiki, this is biki. So, keep that in mind. Then ropiki, chupiki, and senbiki. Okay? Clear, everybody?
Yes.
Then next you have horn. Horn, that is your cylindrical objects. Long cylindrical objects. For example, pen, pencil, bottle, umbrella, tree. Rivers, which are very long. That is like a cylindrical object. River. Sorry, not rivers. River. Are we clear, everyone?
Yes.
ये सारे जो हाईलाइटेड है बस वो चेंज हो गए, वरना बाकी सब में वही सो वाला ही आ जाएगा ना सेम.
क्या?
नहीं.
ये सारे में
ये जो हाईलाइटेड है बस यही चेंज होंगे ना, बाकी सारे तो सेम ही आएंगे ना.
हाँ, बाकी सारे सेम है. जो आपने इचिनी
लेकिन
सान किया है वही आएगा.
लेकिन ये कू वाले कौन सी, जो कू वाले हैं वो कैसे पता चलेगा कि वो कू में आएंगे?
कू, हाँ,
हाँ,
तो
ये
ये इसोकू और हासोकू 1 and 8 नंबर चेंज होगा. बाकी नी, सान, योन, गो,
तो ये
रोकू,
हमें
नाना,
कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये वो वाला ही पैटर्न यहाँ पर भी फॉलो होगा? वही तो
वो
पूछ
बाय
रही हूँ.
हार्ट करना रहता है ना. यू हैव टू बाय हार्ट देम. Okay. Ippon and Nihon.
Sensei, why is cup under high, or is it the drink in?
Sorry, which one? Can you please repeat?
High, liquid in glass.
No, I am still on horn. We are still here. I'll get back to you there. Okay, yeah. So horn, cylindrical objects.
Okay, got it, Sensei.
only-
Thank you.
Only 2 are changing, Ippon and Nihon. And then for 3, it is instead of horn, they are using bon. Here you have pawn, horn, pawn. Okay? You'll have to go through them. You'll have to get yourself familiar with the counters. Then you'll have a clearer idea rather. Okay. Next is high, that is liquid in a glass. So beer, cup, water, juice, any drink which is in a cup or a glass. Okay? Any drinkables, coffee, tea, etc. Okay? The numbers which are changing, that is the first ippai, 3 sambai, and rupai 6th. Rest everything remains the same. Okay? Only your odd, yeah.
If I have to refer 1 cup of coffee, so should I say ippai kohi? Should I mention
you will say
kohi?
you will frame your sentence like this: kohi o ippai nomimasu. So I will drink 1 cup of coffee. Kohi o ippai nomimasu. Or else if you want to ask somebody for 2 glasses of water, so you will say, please give me 2 glasses of water, correct? So your sentence will be Mizuo nihai o kudasai. Please give me 2 glasses of water. Nihai o kudasai. आप mizu बोल रहे हो, correct? You are using the word
Right.
for water, that is mizu, and you are asking for 2 quantities. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes.
Yeah, perfect. The last one in this category is Hito. People, very important counter. Hito is very important counter. Why? Because this is often used for a group of people when you are reserving a table in a restaurant. This is needed. Okay. So Hitori Futari, only 1 and 2 are changing. Rest everything is remaining the same. Hitori Futari. Sannen, Yunin, Go, Roku, Shichi. But instead of Hito, you are using Nin and not Hito. You cannot say San Hito, 3 people. No, it is San Nin. Clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
And the last 2 counters which you have, that is Kai. Yeah, these are the 2. Kai. Number of flows or number of times. This we have already done in our previous chapters. Number of times or number of floor. On what floor you are living. So if you say I'm staying on the 5th floor, so you say go Kai des. Okay. So again, one is changing Ikai, Nikai, Sankai, Sangai. Kai or Gai, if you remember, we have done this counter. Yon, Go, Rokai. This is not Roku but Rokai. Nana, Hachi, Q. Instead of Ju, this is Jikai. Okay. These are Kai flows or number of times. Shukan, week we know. Ishukan, Nishukan, Sanshukan, Yon, Go, Roku, Nana, Hashukan, Q and Ju. So 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, etc. Are we clear, everybody, with the counters?
So for Sensei, for undefined like shape or like say for example, I need to buy 1 kg of meat, we can use su, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Any product which you are unable to find a shape will come under tsu. Yes, month ke liye you have gatsu, getsu. Ichigatsu, Nigatsu, 1 month, 2 month. That is not basically defined as a counter, but yeah, you can say it as a counter. It is not defined as counter, but yeah, if you want to keep in your mind, you can add one more this thing, a column. Yeah. Are we clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What we can do is, everyone take 5 minutes and just go through once all the counter. Ek bar go through all of them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Go through them. 5 minutes. Go through all of them, and I'll get back to you, all of you. Yes. Have you gone through everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us start with the chapter. Now, there is no concrete sentence pattern here, okay? I will tell you that in short while when we start with the grammar. Okay, so chapter 11, vocabulary. Imas to have, kodomo ga imas to have a child. Imas again to stay in Japan. So nihon ni imas. One verb will different meanings. Okay, depending on your situation, you are going to use the different meanings. Kakarimas to take, yasumimas take a day off or holiday or rest. Okay. Yes, Kanika.
Sensei, what does EMAS mean here? Have a child. What does that mean?
Yeah, so
Have a
kodomo ga
child.
imas. No, imas is to have basically. The
Okay.
bigger meaning for imas is to have something. So I have a camera. Okay. So
Yes.
imas here is to have something. So kodomo ga imas is to have a child. Imas also means to stay. So you are staying in Mumbai, sorry, Delhi. So Delhi ni imas. I stay in Delhi. Okay.
Hi.
Now these are your counters. So this is the tsu counter which we did. This is hito counter. This is dai counter. Okay. So these three are your counters. Tsu, hito, and dai. I'm starting from here. Ringo apple, mikan oranges, mandarin orange, sandovichi sandwich, kari raisu curry rice, aisukurimu ice cream, hitte post stamps, hagaki postcard, futo envelope, sokutatsu special delivery, kaki tome registered mail. Okay. Next page. Eya meru airmail, funabin sea mail. Okay. Now these are your relations. Very important counters. Sorry. Very important meanings. Expect something like this in your paper. At least 2 to 5 questions. Either in your listening part or in your grammar or in your comprehension. Okay. Ryoshin parents, Kyodai brothers and sisters. Anni, my elder brother. Onni-san, my elder brother. Somebody else's elder brother. So if I want to refer to your elder brother, it will be Onni-san for me. But for you, your elder brother will be Anni. Okay. Similarly, for elder sister, my elder sister will be Anne. Somebody else's elder sister. So for your elder sister, it will be Onne-san. Ototo, my younger brother. Ototo-san, someone else's younger brother. Imoto, my younger sister. Imoto-san, somebody else's younger sister. Very important vocabularies I'm repeating again. Daikoku, foreign country. Jikan, hours. Shukan, week. Kagetsu, month. Nen, year. Gurai, approximately or about. Dono gurai, how long. Zenbude, in total. Minna, all, everything. Dake only, again a very common word used for in your day-to-day conversation. Irashaimase, welcome, may I help you? Oh, tenki desne, nice weather, isn't it? Ote kake desu ka, are you going out? Chotto mate, I'm just going to. Itte irashai, so long, like literally going and coming back. These all we have done in the greetings. If you guys remember the greetings page, this is all done there. Itte irashai, mairimasu, everything is done there. Itte
Ma'am,
mairimasu. Sorry?
uh, Chottomate means wait a minute, na?
Yeah, chotto matte hai wo, ye made hai. Chotto made, I'm
Made.
just going to go. वैसे.
Okay.
Sorikara and furthermore, Osutorariya, Australia. Okay, so these are your vocabularies. Now we start with the grammar. Yes, Kanika.
Sensei, can you please help explain the pronunciation of Australia? Also,
Osu,
is it
Osu, Osotoraria. Osotoraria.
Osotoraria. Okay.
Yes.
Toraria.
Osotoraria.
Hi. Hi.
Okay. Hi. Okay. Now we look at our sentence pattern as to how we can put counters in our sentence pattern. Mikan o itsutsu kaimashita. Now, if you recollect, particle o was written at the end of your sentence supporting your action verb. But for counters, you are putting it at the beginning of your sentence. So, Mikan o itsutsu kaimashita. So, I will go and buy 5 Mikan is oranges.
Orange.
Yeah. Mikan o yatsu kaimashita. Mikan o to kaimashita. So this itsutsu is 5, yatsu is 8, and to is 10. Okay. Ikutsu, this is your tsu counter. So mikan o ikutsu kaimashita ka. So how many oranges you're going to buy? Whatever will be your answer. Okay. Clear, everyone? Next. 90 will be 90 will be your normal 90 क्या होगा?
Kyuju.
Kyuju, correct. Kyuju and no kitte o ichimai kudasai. Correct. Correct. So give me 90 rupees stamp. Give me 190 rupees stamp, please. Give me 290 rupees stamp, please. Give me 590 rupees stamp, please. Kuju kite o nimai kudasai. Kuju and no kite o gomai kudasai. Clear, everybody? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Third, kono kaisha ni daigaku jin ga hitori imasu. Can anyone explain me this sentence? Can anyone try? Nobody wants to try? Chalo, no problem. So
Which?
it is not a question. So kono kaisha ni. So this company, in this company, foreign people is only one. Hitori is one. Kono kaisha ni daigaku jin ga futari imasu. So the foreign person in this country is 2. Kono kaisha ni daigaku jin ga yonin imasu. So 4 people are there. 4 foreign people are there in this company. Nanin will be how many people? Nanin, how many people? Clear, everyone?
Hi.
Yes or no?
Hi, Sensei.
Yeah.
I can.
Okay. Yes. Fourth. Ichi shukan ni ichikai ega o himasu. So in one week, I am watching movie once. In 1 week, I watch movie once. Ichika gatsu ni kai ega o mimasu. In 1 month, I watch movie twice, 2 times. I'm watching movie 2 times. Kai is number of times or number of floor. But here we are sticking with number of times. In a year, ichi nen ni. Go, kai, gurai, ega, o, mima. So approximately in 1 year, I watch movie 5 times. I can't stop, Tanu. I really can't stop. I'm sorry. I'll have to continue. Fourth, the question what you can ask, is nankai. How many times? Okay. How many times have you watched movie in your whatever period is given to you? Yes, yes. After the 10th counter, your normal numbering pattern starts. Watashi wa kuni de go shukan. Nihongo o benkyou shimashita. So can anybody tell me what is shukan? Hi. So can anyone tell me what is shukan? Weeks. So
Week?
yeah, weeks. So watashi wa kuni de go shukan nihongo o benkyou shimashita. So I am studying. I am studying Japanese language at least, in the country for 5 weeks. Okay. Watashi wa kuni de roku ka gatsu nihongo o benkyou shimashita. So I am studying Japanese language from 6 months. Gatsu is months. So from 6 months, I'm learning Japanese. Approximately 1 year. So I am learning Japanese in the country for approximately 1 year. Watashi wa kuni de ichinen gurai nihongo o benkyou shimashita. Okay. The question here you can ask is donno gurai. So from approximately what time you are studying Japanese language? Are we clear, everyone? Yes, Kanika.
Sensei, when it says 6 months,
Huh.
Roku Gatsu
Kagatsu, yeah.
doesn't mean June, right? Kagatsu. It doesn't mean June, right? It just means
Yes,
for
June.
6 months.
6 months, no? 6 months. No. Kagatsu is like from 6 months I'm learning. If it
Okay.
is only Rokugatsu, then it is June. That is 6th month. But Kagatsu becomes that approximately I'm learning from 6 months.
Okay. Hi.
Last sentence. Watashi wa kuni kara nihon ma de hikoki de yojikan shijikan kakari. I'm sorry. Yojikan kakarimasu. So from my country to Japan by flight, Hikoki by flight, it takes 4 hours. From my country to Japan by flight, it takes 5.5 hours. And from my country to Japan by flight, it takes 12 hours. Are we clear, everyone? Donno kurai. How far is your, or approximately how much time does from your country to Japan via plane takes? So this is your time given to you here. Are we clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let us do one thing. Let us take a break for 10 minutes. Come back by 9:10, everybody. Now, this chapter, you will be having a lot of homework. Okay, so please be prepared for a lot of homework. So yeah, come back by 9:10, everyone. Okay.
Hello, Sensei. Hello.
Gumin, being a little late. Okay. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so here, what are you supposed to do for the very first exercise is you are supposed to categorize your products, okay? So, Ringo ga ikutsu arimasu ka? So, mitsu arimasu. So, this is apples. So, there are 3. So, for this chapter, you will have to keep your counters in front of you. Okay, so this is 1 chair. So, chair will be again.
Itsu.
Yeah, correct. So, itsu will be the right answer. So again, the question will be, isu ga ikutsu arimasu ka? So hitotsu arimasu. Question and answer format. Okay. Next, tamago, egg. So tamago ga ikutsu arimasu ka? Ikutsu will come or what will come here?
Ko.
Nanko. Correct. Nanko. So tamago ga nanko arimasu ka? So your answer will be 4. So it will be Kuka 4. So Yonka. Yonka arimasu. And you have 2 bags here. 1 big, 1 small. So Kabanga. Again Ikutsu. Because 1 big bag, 1 small bag. We don't know the shape of the product. So Ikutsu arimasu ka. So your answer will be Futatsu. Futatsu arimasu. Then you have here 7 keys. Again, you are not sure about the key. These are big keys. We do have small keys also. So, kagi ga ikutsu arimasu ka? So, this will be 7 will be nanatsu. Correct. Nanatsu arimasu. Are we clear, everybody? Okay. Second, bidio. Bidio ga nandai arimasu ka? Nidai arimasu. Shatsu. Shatsu ga nanmai arimasu ka? Ichimai arimasu. Imai desu. Ichimai, yes. So, dai and mai, electricals and flat objects. Okay. So, CD. So, CD will be electrical or flat objects?
Electrical, dye.
Electrical, mechanical, correct. So, CD ga nandai arimasu ka? So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 CDs. So, it will be Godai. Correct. So, Godai arimasu. Then, computer. So, computer ga nandai arimasu ka? So, you have 3 computers. So, it will be Sandai arimasu. Then, Futo is envelope. Flat objects, mine. So, futo ga nanmai arimasu ka? So, 2. So, nimai arimasu. Jidosha, automobile, again die. Jidosha ga nandai arimasu ka? So, 5. So, go dai arimasu. Are we clear, everyone?
Hi, Sensei.
Okay. Third. Gakusei ka ga nan nin imasu ka? So 4 will be nin, hito, people. So yonin. So yonin imasu. First, Daigaku Jin no Shine. Daigaku Jin no Shine will be foreign employee. So, Daigaku Jin no Shine ga nan nin imasu ka? So 2. So your answer will be Futari. Futari imasu. Are you guys even understanding or no?
Understanding.
Hi, Sensei. Sorry, I'm on the
Everybody-
road. So, getting on mute.
But everybody is like getting little bit of what am I at least saying? Like, how am I forming the sentences? Or no, we're not understanding.
Understanding.
Quite a
Understanding
lot of
somewhat.
people have quite a lot of people have actually left the session. Okay,
Sensei,
many
there were
people.
only 10. There were only 10 people to begin with, and now it's 9. Or 8. I can't see clearly. Yeah, it's 9. There were only 10, 11 to begin with.
Yeah, I think Krishna has left, Tanu has left, Bhavna have left. Yeah. Okay, can't help it. Anyways, yeah. The next one, onna no hito. So onna no hito ga nan nin imasu ka? So onna no hito is female people, like females. How many females are there? So 6. So what would be the answer for 6? Rokunin. Rokunin. Yes. Rokunin imasu. Otoko no ko male. So otoko no ko ga nan nin imasu ka? So I'll just put it here. Like this. Yeah. Now we'll have a better idea. Yeah. So 2. So otoko no ko will be 2. So futari. So futari imasu. Then kodomo, child. So kodomo ga nani imasu ka? So 1. Hitori. Hitori imasu, 1 child. Got it, everybody?
Hi, Sensei.
Next. Next page, question 4, kaimasu. Hagaki o nan mai kaimashita ka? So we are looking at mai. That is our flat objects. Okay. So hagaki is stamps. Okay. So 10 will be jumai. So jumai kaimashita. So how many stamps are you purchasing? 10 stamps purchasing. Okay. So torimasu. How many photos? So the question, how will you form the question here? Photos hai na? So your answer will be Sashino nanmai torimashita ka. How many photos did you click? So 5 photos. So go my torimashita. Got it, everybody?
How? What word did you use? How did you start the sentence, Sensei? Sashi.
Sashin photographs. So
Okay, Sashin was
Sashin,
photos.
oh, nanmai torimashita ka. How many photographs did you click? So
Okay.
5. So go my torimashita.
Okay.
Then
Hi.
kaimasu. So how many bicycles? Jitensha did you buy? So Jitensha, oh, nanmai kaimashita ka. So 2. So nimai. So nimai kaimashita. How many bicycles did you purchase? 2 bicycles I purchased. Clear, everybody?
Hi.
Hi.
Third, tabemas. So what do you want to keep this as? Cookies, eggs, apple, oranges?
Oranges.
Whatever.
They seem
Oranges.
like
Okay.
momos, like dumplings actually.
Yeah, but then we don't have a word for dumplings. Let's not take the new vocabulary. Let's stick to the
Okay.
vocabularies that we have learned
Okay.
because that will be easier to
Ma'am, can I
understand.
leave?
Go ahead, tell. Yes, go ahead.
Can I leave?
Yeah, go ahead. Read.
Ma'am, he is asking, can he leave?
Leave. He wants to leave. Leave. Your choice.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, 5. Should we stick to oranges? Mikan?
Hi, Sensei.
Hi. So, Mikan, nan mai tabe mashtaka. How many did you eat? So, 5. So, gomai tabe mashita. Okurimasu, to send. Yeah, okurimasu is to send. So, how many boxes did I send? So, hako. Boxes are hako. So, hako o nan mai okurimashita ka. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, hachi mai okurimashita. Are we clear, everyone?
Ma'am, boxes will come in my counter.
So, this is not actually box then. Packages hoga. Which hoga electricals. Technically, boxes doesn't come. But since these are all my and die only, so no, we can use it
And
as
box.
su, no? Big boxes, small
Su,
boxes. Yeah. So this will be not my, but it will be su. So yatsu. So the question here will be hako o ikutsu okurimashita ka. How many boxes do you want to send? 8 boxes. So yatsu okurimashita.
And
Okay.
in this scenario, when we can see the boxes are in the equal shapes, so actually such boxes will come in which counter?
Okay. Now think from a broader perspective. Boxes can be big or small, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, so we don't know the specific shape of the box. Some boxes are rectangle, some boxes are square, some are small square, some are big rectangles. Yeah, so we cannot determine the shape of the box, can we? We can't, right?
No. That logic I understood, ma'am. The
Yeah.
thing is, here in the picture, we can see the boxes are equal sized.
Yeah.
So can we use is there a different counter for such?
No. There are no different counter. No, yehi counter. So hi aayega.
Okay.
Su will only count. I understood your question. Since we have similar looking objects, is there any similar looking objects? Correct? You are talking about that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, no, वैसा नहीं है. You stick to two only. Think, see, whenever you are stuck in any product, think as in that, think from a broader prospect, think for a broader picture. Like, okay, boxes are of many shapes. So this will go in Su. Okay? Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Then question 5th. Question 5th mein. Okay. So here you are already given the numbers. Okay. So basically, this 5th and 6th you guys can do it as homework. So Ikakatsu ega o mima. So approximately how many times do you watch a movie in a month? So ikai mimas. Once I watch it. Okay. So try doing this as homework. Please try. Okay. Please do try this. If you have any doubts, please get back to me in the next class. Okay. Whatever difficulties you are facing, please get back to me. Okay. Similarly, for question 6, Sengatsu Kaisha o Yasumi Mashita Yokka. Sengatsu Nan Nichi Kaisha o Yasumi Mashita ka. Why Nan Nichi? Because this counter is for Nichi. If you remember, again in chapter number 4, we have done this days ka counter. Do you recollect?
Yes.
So this is that counter. So Nan Nichi, what day? Okay, so Yokka Yasumi Mashita. So I have off for 4 days. Are we clear? So here in the bracket, you are already given the counters. All you have to do is simply form the question and write the answers. Okay? Similarly for question 7th. Nihongo o benkyou shimashita. So, ni ka gatsu. So, dono gurai Nihongo o benkyou shimashita ka. So, for approximately for how long you are studying Japanese? I'm studying from past 3 months. San ka gatsu benkyou shimashita. Studying for 3 months. Studied for 3 months rather. Are we clear, everyone? Can we do this as homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Renshu C will be again. You are just given options here. All you have to do is simply replace your underlined words with the options given below. Again, read, understand, try. If you feel you are not comfortable, get back to me in the next class. Okay. We start with the listening part. 5 of you are there now.
第11課問題1番
1、
家族は何人ですか
2、
What can you write the answers?
They are asking about person, right?
Correct. Correct. Nanin. Perfect. So write whatever number you want. Hitori, Futari, whatever you want to write, right? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
あなたのうちに部屋がいくつありますか
So how many rooms are there in your home?
Did they use Su counter?
Yes, correct. Correct. Because
Yes.
rooms can be big and small. Perfect. Good. Next.
3、
あなたの国から日本まで飛行機で何時間かかりますか
4、
今までどのくらい日本語を勉強しましたか
Country. G.
So what time do you drink coffee?
Time.
As simple
Yes.
as that.
Time.
Yes.
Yes. Time.
Correct.
G.
Fourth.
5、
1ヶ月に何回ぐらい映画を見ますか
Kai. Floors or number of
Correct. So how many hours do you study? So this will be like again number of hours. Okay. We do the second one.
2番
1、兄弟がいますか
A 妹が1人います。学生です。
2、
समझा कुछ? Okay, I'll start again.
2番
1、兄弟がいますか
A 妹が1人います。学生です。
So there are talking about the family, Kyodai family. So how many people are there? So Imoto. So she's the student. So the person who's talking wo to hai hi, plus one sister and parents. So 2 is your answer. 2 is the answer. Okay. Everyone got it right.
Yes, ma'am.
2、いらっしゃいませ。
コーヒーを2つとアイスクリームを1つお願いします。
かしこまりました。
Futatsu hitotsu. 2 and 1. Second.
3番、
1、80円の切手を10枚と50円の切手を10枚ください。
はい。全部で1300円です。
はい。
どうもありがとうございました。
女の人は切手を20枚買いました。
True.
True, correct. Very nice. True, correct.
2、この手紙エアメールでお願いします。
はい。インドですね。90円です。
どのくらいかかりますか
8日ぐらいです。
手紙はインドまでエアメールで4日かかります。
False.
Correct.
3、
どこで日本語を勉強しましたか？
国で日本人の先生に習いました。
毎日勉強しましたか？
いいえ、水曜日と土曜日に勉強しました。国で1週間に1回日本語を勉強しました。
True.
Correct. Okay. Did we
Actually,
understand?
ma'am, whenever they're talking in
Yeah.
the chokai, actually, I'm just able to pick up few words. I'm not able to understand the entire conversation.
It's okay. See, that is exactly the point of chokai. You are not expected to, understand each and every word. All you have to take is pick up the important subject.
Okay.
And then accordingly you answer. Because see, as you can see, their pronunciations and our pronunciation is different. Tsu bolte wo log. We say tsu. TSU. We say like we use the entire tsu pronunciation. They only use tsu. Su, SU bolte wo log. TSU nahi bolte. They don't use
Right.
TSU. They only use su. But they pronounce in such a way that we are able to understand that they are talking about su counter, So that is the entire, that is the entire game. Like, you have to only pick up a couple of words and not everything. Because in the exam,
syllable ku
Yeah.
also, they are not pronouncing the U sound. The
yeah,
ku
ku.
also.
They only will say ku. We are saying Q, but they are saying ku. You see, speaking Japanese is very different from what we are learning. Okay, it is very different. Trust me when I say this, it's very different. Even at my level, I still cannot very well converse with Japanese people. So like when we have some seminars and this, so this is exactly the point which they keep. That you cannot have you can have an in-depth knowledge of Japanese in theory, but practical may we have a long way to go. Okay, but that's okay. It comes naturally. The more you watch anime, the more you do shadowing, you will get there. So don't worry about it. Yeah. Okay. Question 4, 5, 6, 7. Should we just solve it together rather than giving you all time and doing this? Should we just solve it together?
Hi, Sensei.
Perfect. So question 4th, first example, Mikan ga yatsu arima. So this is your tsu counter because we're talking about oranges here. So if we're talking about a child, which will be the counter?
Nin. No.
Correct. Hito.
Small.
Hito. Correct.
Hito.
So futari. Futarima. So kodomo ga futarima. So there are two kids. Good. Kuruma ga dai. So what is dai? So we have 4 here. So Hyundai. Electrics. Yes, electricals and mechanicals. Kitte o dash kaimashita. Stamp. Flat objects. Mai. So you have 10. So it will be Jumai. And Ringo o dash kudasai. Su. So 5. So Itsutsu kudasai. Got it, everybody?
Hi, Sensei.
Yes.
Next. Next page. Kodomo ga nanne nimasu ka? Sanne nimasu. So isu ga dash arimasu ka? Yotsutsu arimasu. So you have to write the question here. So this is su ka word. So it will be ikutsu arimasu ka? Then this is jikan, timing. So nanji, mainichi nanji hatarakimasu ka? So hachijikan hatarakimasu. Third, hippu. Oh, dash kaimashita, ni kai. So my stamps. So nan mai. And ryo ni jitensha o dai. So nandai. Nandai. Okay? Nandai arimaska. Question you are supposed to write here. Are we clear, everyone?
Hi, Sensei.
Do you want me to repeat anything? Okay, fair enough. Fifth. Sorry, sixth. Yeah. Ichishukan dash sankai dash kanojo ni denwa o kakemasu. What can be the answer? What do you think of an answer?
Madam, please bow.
Ichizukani.
Yes, correct.
Then there is no. I think there is nothing.
Huh?
Second for
Sorry.
for second there is no particle will come.
Okay, correct. Good. Second, kono nimutsu wa America made funabin dash ikura desu ka? So, this luggage, I want to send to America via funabin, that is via ship. So, what is the cost of this parcel?
So,
So, the answer will be funabin. Mode of transport hai. So, it will be
so
Dai.
mode of transport.
so
Dai. No.
They, no, they, funabin, they, mode of transportation, particle, they.
They.
Yeah. Nihon dash, ninen dash imas. Place of action. Again, particle they. Nihon de, ni. So I am in Japan from 2 years.
Sensei, would it be
Ringo.
dai or they?
This will be they. Nihon de.
D-A. In English, you
Ringo dash, itsutsu dash kudasai. Hi. 600 yen des. So this will be Ringo.
Oh.
Oh, correct. Ringo O. Here nothing will come. Okay. Okay. So this exercise is actually your math calculations. Okay. So let me read the sentence. Okay. Tanaka-san wa go shujin to kodomo ga futari imasu. Tanaka-san no kazoku wa zenbu de nanin desu ka? So Tanaka-san wa go shujin. So Tanaka-san and the husband. Kodomo ga futari imasu. So she have 2 kids. So how many people are there in her family? Tanaka-san, her husband, and 2 kids. So how many people?
4.
4, correct. 4 people. So yonin imas. So the answer will be 4 people. So yonin imas, sorry, not nimas, imas. 4 people. Now second. Ringo o 15 moraimashita. So I brought 15 orange apples. Yotsu tabemashita. I ate 4. Tonari no uchi no hito ni mutsu agemashita. So I gave 6 to my neighbors. How many I have left? I have 15, 4 I ate, 8, 6 I gave it to somebody. How many I have?
5.
5.
Correct, 5.
It's
So right,
Su.
go
It's
su arimas. I have 5. Like I have 5 apples with me. So itsutsu arimas.
Itsutsu arimasu.
Third. 80 yen kitte 5 mai. So 80 rupees ka 5 stamp. I purchased 80 rupees. I purchased 5 stamps for 80 rupees. Then I purchased again 5 stamps for 50 rupees. How much total is the cost of the stamp? What is the total of the stamp? 85, 55.
650.
650, correct. 650 NDES. Very good, correct. Correct. Next. Watashi wa chugoku go o san ka gatsu naraimashita. So I studied Chinese for 3 months. Okay. Ichi ka gatsu hachi kai benkyou shimashita. So 1 month mein I studied 8 times. I studied for 3 months. In 1 month I studied 8 times. Ichi kai wa ni jikan desu. 1 time I studied, so once, so how am I supposed to explain you guys this?
In 1 month, I studied 8 times. So how
Correct,
much in 3 months? 24.
No. That is not the thing. In 1 month I studied 8 times, so that is how I studied for 3 months. You have no Sankagatsu. So 3 months you have. So 1 time I studied for 2 hours. So how many total how many hours I studied in total? So if it is 8 times in a month and 8 times in a month, so 1 time I studied for 2 hours.
48 hours?
48 hours, yes, correct. So 48 jikan desu. Correct. Correct. Okay, kore onegaishimasu. So this is like a person is having a conversation with a person, like one is having a conversation with, yes, Gayatri?
Ma'am, can you repeat the answer for 6th question, 3rd one?
Which one? 3rd one?
6th question, 3rd one.
3rd one?
6th question, 3rd one.
6th question, 3rd one. Acha, this Nihon dash imas. So okay, this is day, no? Nihon de 2 years imas. So I am living in Japan for 2 years.
Okay.
Imas is to live,
So,
no? Yeah.
Okay, so next for the second blank, it is like no particles.
No, here you will have they, no? Here there will be no particle, correct, yes. No particle here, correct, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so So this is a conversation like between three people. One is like, the building ka sweeper or and this is like this conversation is happening between the courier company person and the author. Okay, so let me just start this thing and then you'll understand. Sorry, chapter 11.
いい天気ですね。お出かけですか？
ええ、ちょっと郵便局まで。
そうですか。行っていらっしゃい。
行ってまいります。これ速達でお願いします。
はい、オーストラリアですね。370円です。
それからこの荷物もお願いします。
船便ですか？航空便ですか？
船便はいくらですか
？500円です。
どのくらいかかりますか
？1ヶ月ぐらいです。
じゃあ船便でお願いします。
ありがとうございました。
Clear, everyone?
Hi, Sensei.
Okay, I'm not doing anything new or I'm not doing kanjis today because as it is, the chapter is very heavy. I would suggest you go back, revise this chapter as much as you can, go through your counters. And in case you have not understood anything, in case you are not sure about something, please get back to me. I will address the doubts in the next class. We are going to start chapter number 12 in the next class. 12:13. Friday. So next Friday, do not miss the session because we are going to start chapter number 14, which is extremely important. That is like your base of N5. So it's okay if you don't come for Monday or Wednesday. It's okay if you skip. But anyhow, do not skip on Friday. That is next Friday. Extremely important chapter. Extremely important that is used in your day-to-day conversation. Expect your entire paper on that chapter. Everything can come from that chapter. Okay, majority will come from that chapter.
Hi, Sensei.
Circumstances. That is next Friday. Monday, I will be doing 12. Wednesday, we'll be doing 13. Friday, we are doing, 12, 13. Monday, Wednesday. Friday, 14. So next Friday, please do not do not skip the session. Okay. Very important chapter. As in when we have important chapter, I will tell you when not to skip the class. Okay. Okay, then everybody, let's call it a day for today. Any doubts, please get back to me on Monday. Whatever, anything related to chapters 1 to 11 or standalone 11 chapter, please do get back, okay?
Okay.
Hi.
Yes.
Okay. Arigato,
Sensei.
minasan.
Arigato.
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 Oyasumi.
Arigato, sensei.
Arigato. Arigato. Oyasumi, minasan. Thank you. Arigato.